Welcome back to Pleasure Tips at Pleasurable with Patricia. And today's pleasure tip is intentional undressing. So next time, instead of rushing to just quickly get undressed or change clothes, take your time. Slow it down, and not just slow it down. Open yourself up to feel yourself, to experience yourself. So when you are going to take off your clothing, take it one piece by piece and go slow. And when I say slow, I want you to go even slower than you think you should go slow. If you have got a mirror in the bedroom or wherever you're getting undressed, you can also include that if you love to look at yourself and flirt with yourself at that time. Otherwise, you can also close your eyes if you want to take one of your senses away so that the other ones are heightened. Because when you take off your clothes intentionally, slowly, you are able to allow yourself to feel those sensations on your skin. You can feel the fabric sliding off your shoulder. Ooh, she gave me goosebumps. So you can feel that sliding off your shoulder so that you can get those goosebumps, have those sensations that you can lean in. And the slower you do it and the more you just hover it over the skin, and like I said, either with closed eyes or looking at yourself, you can open your portals to pleasure. If you like, you can also add in some music, play a playlist that helps you drop into your body. You might also then like to include some movements. You might also like to voice that this feels good, making sounds of enjoyment and taking conscious breath, breathing in a way that opens you up to feel even more of those sensations so that you can use your senses and movement, breath, sound, touch. All of those are portals to your pleasure. Then undressing might take you 5 minutes longer, maybe even 30 minutes longer, because if you let your body guide you, it can maybe lead into something else. And however long it takes, this is so much more worth it than rushing through and just quickly getting changed and not feeling yourself. So next time, try intentional undressing to feel your pleasure lit from within. And when you're ready to explore your pleasure, this is your invitation to join us within the Pleasure Lit community. You can also explore my pleasure online courses, programs, practices, and more at pleasurelit.com. If you feel called to share, I would love to hear, have you tried intentional undressing before? Or if you've just tried it, how did that feel in your body? When you've liked this episode, feel free to follow and subscribe, and also share it along so we can spread more pleasure into this world. You can also access my free pleasure map and workshop at pleasurelit.com/links. Sending you lots of love and pleasure. Mwah!